Hello and welcome to PAAcademy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the center of a circle. So if you have a circle and you are trying to get the center of the circle, so how do you go about it? So now let me draw a circle. You can see this is just a round object. I don't know the center, so let me just trace it out so that I can form a circle. So this is what I've just gotten when I trace out this. So now, if you have a circle like this, you don't know the center, it's different from you using your compass to draw a circle. If you use your compass to draw a circle, obviously you know that the center is at this point, at this sharp point where you just left it to draw the circle. But now we don't know the center. How do you go about it? So what you are going to do is very simple. So once you draw your circle, just draw two lines from one end from touch one circumference to the other, two lines on the circumference. This is the first one. Then you can just draw another one. So what we are going to do is we are going to bisect these two lines. So let's pick the first line. In bisecting it, since I don't know the length, so I'll just pick my compass from one point of it to the other point. Okay, so let me bisect it. So I'm trying to bisect the line, so you go to the other point also. So what we do now is to draw, so where they both meet, this point and this point, we'll draw it straight down. So what we've just done to, let me even label the line. So this is A, B, C, and D. So what we've done to A, B, we are going to do that to C, D. So since I don't know the exact length, so I can just pick my compass and adjust it to the length. Okay. So draw an arc at the top and the bottom on either side, on both sides of the line, and then at point C, draw an arc. Then draw. So where the so now I haven't done this. I haven't bisect line AB and line BC. Now the bisector, where they both meet, now they both meet at this point. This point where they both meet represents the center of this circle. Initially we don't know the center, but where this bisector of this line AB and line CD meet each other, this point, let me call it point O, that represents the center of the circle, and that is how to get the center of a circle that you don't know the center. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to PAAcademy, kindly click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.